This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your mouse up to your computer via Bluetooth or even just with the dongle. So if you look at the back here, I can see there's a couple different options. Here's my dongle actually. So if I take this out, I can connect to my computer just with this. So it's going to instantly connect. You don't need to go into the settings at all or anything like that. Just plug this into an open USB slot on the front or the back of your computer. And then just make sure on the settings for the mouse, you go on over to 2.4G. So we can just go up, plug this in, and the mouse will work right away. Now, if for some reason we lost this or we want to connect it to our phone and we don't have an adapter, we can go on down to the BT mode, Bluetooth. So we're in the Bluetooth mode, and then we have to hold this button down right here for about 5 to 10 seconds, and it should show up. And it's going to be scanning for devices to connect to now. So on your computer, on your old mouse, you can just go on down to Start right here and go to Settings and go on over to Bluetooth. Go to Add Device and go to Bluetooth. And then we can see our mouse already in here. So I got this one right here. I can just select it and it's connecting. So it should connect. Let's move it around. So here it is. I can just tap it and move it here. There it is. It's working very easily. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.